How to add motion blur in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get into it. Head up to Effects and make sure you have Open Effects selected. Click into the search bar and search for Motion. Here you have two options, Motion Blur and Motion Trails. Let's start by dragging Motion Blur onto our clip. When we play this back, we can notice it's added a slight motion blur to our video there. We can customize this by coming into the inspector and increasing the motion blur to suit your video's needs. The more intense the more intense the motion blur will be in your video. If we toggle this off and on, we can see the effect it's had on this clip here. Now for motion trails, if we just drag this onto this clip, it has a slightly different effect for the video. Again, the intensity of this can be controlled by coming into the motion trail effect and either increasing or decreasing the trail length for this video clip. And that's all there is to it.